Let's look at a dry dough versus a perfect dough. This first one here is clearly not wet enough. You can see the force it takes when I try to cut through it. Let's try another mix. Remember, it's okay if your dough is a little bit sticky. As you let it rest and rise, that will change. You can see how much softer this dough is, not dry like the first one. While the dough can also be too wet, in my experience, it's often better to have it wetter than it is to have it too dry. Dry dough leads to dense bread that just doesn't rise as well. After the first rise of the dry dough, we can see that it is still quite stiff. Let's take a look at the wetter dough. You can see just from dumping it out of the bowl, pulling and stretching it, that it is much more pliable and oddly enough, easier to work with. Look at the shaping. Here you can see it's all filled out in the pan and the dry dough is not filling out the pan. I'm still gonna go ahead and score and bake all of these just because I don't wanna waste the bread just because it's a little bit dense. And those are just a few tricks for making whole wheat bread. Don't forget to like and follow my page for more.